Good morning, Walt.
Good morning, Russell. How you doing today?
Well, what is the service you're providing today?
This client needs us to get this big old elm tree headed back from over all 3 homes so it doesn't do detrimental damage when the next storm comes and leads break off and fall through their homes.
Well, what is this service called?
It's more or less weight reduction, storm damage control, or prevention.
Okay, and so what might make somebody, or when would they think that they need this service from you?
Well, obviously this client didn't think he needed it until he had one large lead break off that was the size of a whole tree. And that kind of got him scared.
Did it by chance fall on the house, or?
No, he got really lucky. It fell right in line with this truck here.
Alrighty. So, is there a good time of the year to have this type of service done, or is it just by when you visually see that there's a situation?
Preferably before we get the big storms and the heavy spring snows.
All right. So like right now, is this a good time, or is it past when he should have had this done?
It should have been done many years ago.
Many years ago.
You know, a lot of people don't have the money laying around, or, you know, a lot of people just don't think about it at that time until something happens, and then they decide, oh my gosh, it's time to get something done. But sometimes it's too late. Sometimes they catch it prior to the heavy damage.
Gotcha. And Walt, could the average person do this job, or does this require a professional tree service company?
Well, I'm sure you've seen the YouTube videos of homeowners trying to do it themselves. It usually don't work out.
Absolutely true. And what kind of equipment did you have to bring out here today to complete this job?
We pretty much got everything we got. We brought the spider lift for the east side of the tree because of all the lawn art and decorations over there. We can't really fit the bucket truck in there easily. So we brought the bucket truck for the easy accessible stuff, and we brought the spider lift for the not so easy stuff to get at.
And of course, you've got the chipper up there to take all this down to mulch, correct?
Yeah. And then we got our little mini for moving around the logs and helping drag brush.
And will any of this require you guys climbing up in the tree, or you're going to use the lifts for all this today?
Should be able to get it all with the lifts that we have.
All righty. All right, well, while it was good talking to you, we're going to let you get back to work here, and have a good day.
All right, you too, Russell.